I'm a technical artist and a software engineer. I made this UV Shell Colorizer add-on because I was tired of staring at a grey UV layout, trying to figure out which island was which. If you ever unwrapped a complex character or a hard surface asset, you know the pain. Every UV island looks identical. There's no way to tell your hat from your collar from your sleeve unless you manually select and hunt them down one by one. It's slow, it's frustrating, and it completely kills your flow. So I built the UV Shell Colorizer. You select your mesh, open the UV Colorizer tab in the end panel, hit the Colorize UV shells, and instantly every single UV island gets its own color. Right in the 3D viewport. No switching, no setup, no guesswork. It works on multiple objects at once. Select your entire character in one go and colorize everything in a single click. If you need a reference texture, just enable diffuse bake map, set your resolution, and it exports a PNG straight to your output folder and restores your original engine automatically. And when you are done, one click cleans everything out. The original materials are never touched. The add-on comes in two packages. If you are on Blender 3.6 to 4.1, grab the legacy zip. If you are on Blender 4.2 or newer, grab the extension zip. It installs in one click straight from Blender's extension system. Both packages include a full PDF documentation with installation guide, usage walkthrough, and FAQ. UV Shell Colorizer is available now on Superhive. That's the new Blender market for just $18, and there is a sale going on, so grab it right now. Link is in the description, and if you are doing any serious UV work in Blender, this will save you a lot of time.